Alright, we are at the end of this lesson. Let's do a lab. So in this lab, the purpose is to explore some of these Kubernetes API resources. It's not a very advanced lab, it's just a lab that allows you to check the most important things that we have learned here. So first you are going to use kubectl create deploy to run an Nginx application, then kubectl get all to see which resources have been created, and kubectl create API resources to get a list of all the API resources that are available on your system. And all the details about that will be following in the next couple of lessons. Good luck! Alright, back in the Google Cloud environment, let me use kubectl create deploy my deploy -- image is Nginx, and that will create a new deployment. So kubectl get all is showing us what? That is showing us the new deployment, but hey, also the old deployment. And as you can see, they are just listed all together, as if they were files all in the same directory. So here is my deploy. We can see in my deploy ready 1 out of 1. So it expects one instance to be ready and one instance is available. It's up to date, it's available. And all of that is managed by the replica set. So here we can see the replica set with desired, current and ready as well. And this replica set is taking care of our pod right here. And hey, shall we do something fun? I'm going to copy the pod and I'm going to use kubectl delete. Because even if we haven't talked about it yet, I already want you to see what's happening. If in the Kubernetes environment something is going wrong with your application. So it takes a little bit of time for the deletion to be completed. Just wait for it and sit it out. There's nothing bad about it. And now let's do a kubectl get all again. And now look at that. We have this new pod created 17 seconds ago. And you know why that is? That is because the deployment is taking care of its pods. And if one of the pods is going away, then the replica set notice, hey, I don't have the desired number of pods anymore. And the replica set will immediately start creating a new pod for you. And that's one of the things that is so awesome about Kubernetes. In the next lessons, you will much more about the Kubernetes awesomeness.